Hello, Sprouts! Welcome to Wondersprout's Kids TV.
Hello, hello, come and see. So many shapes for you and me. Big and small, short and tall. Let's learn shapes, one on all. Circle, circle, round and round. No straight lines can be found, like a ball or like the sun. Here, circle shape is lots of fun. Square, square, four sides strong. All sides equal, nice and long. Like a box or window frame. Square is its name. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides for you and me. Like a slice of yummy pie, pointing up into the sky. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Like a door or like a book. Whoo! Come and take a look. Shapes, shapes all around, in the sky and on the ground. Circle, square, triangle too. Rectangle is here for you. Circle up, square up, triangle up, and take a look again. Circle up, circle up, triangle up, rectangle up. Can you find a circle? Can you find a square? Look around your room today. Shapes are everywhere. Shapes are fun, shapes are bright. Learning shapes feels just right. Bye bye shapes, see you soon. Yay, let's sing again another tune.
Thanks for watching Wondersprout Kids TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fun, stories, and learning every week. Bye-bye, little Sprouts!